So hi guys, I'm in Portugal, in central Portugal, at the place called Ílhavo, and the hotel is called Montebelo Vista Allegre, which means, I guess, the grand view, and the view that definitely is grand. My room overlooks the river. Hotel is nice and modern, and is finally sunny. Because all day today was raining like crazy. We did some sightseeing in the morning and in the afternoon, and we had to use umbrellas. So nice to see the sun finally. So the hotel is very modern. I think it's newly opened, maybe a year old. Lots of nice blue details of the porcelain, which Portugal is famous for. I have a huge bed, and then I have this wall that is made of mirrors. And there is the magic TV inside. I love those TVs in the mirrors. I was talking about them when I was on my river cruise last time on World, Maria Teresa. That's how it looks. So best regards from Portugal.